Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with lesson 5, mail merge. In this section, we are going to learn modifying data source, preview result, merging to printer, creating and printing envelopes. Modifying data source. You can add, remove, rename and reorder the recipient addresses from the existing data source. Preview results. Preview results option helps you to view merged data. Merging to printer. To print merged document, you can use printer. Creating and printing envelopes. You can create and print an envelope in MS Word. We created one merged document in our previous class. Now we have to modify the data source. Here we have to merge with the recipient address that we learned in our previous class. Now we want to modify the data source, that is the addresses of the recipient. For that, first we select the data source. So click on the select recipient option and select use an existing list. So the window will open and we have select data source address. As you know, we created one data source address in our previous class. So select the data source, then all the icon are enabled. Now click on the edit recipient list. So you get the mail merge recipient list. Now here we have to edit the addresses of the recipient. Here you can see first name, last name, title, address, etc. So here I want to change the last name of Rajesh. For that, click on edit button and I change Kumar as Varma. And also I want to enter a new entry. For that, click on new entry option. So I want to insert a new record here. So I insert Mr. Robi Kurian. Enter the address. And enter city and state also. In this way, we can enter new record. Now I want to delete one existing entry. For that, select one record and click on delete entry option and click on yes button. So the existing entry deleted. We have to modify the columns also. For that, click on the customize column option. So you get the column address list and we can see the name of the column, and you can see add, delete and rename options also. So I want to delete work phone option, so select work phone option and click on the delete button. Now the column is deleted, so you can see the column is deleted, and then click on OK button. And again click on the OK button. And if you want to view the result, so you can click on the preview result option. So you can, here you can see the Rajesh Kumar has changed as Rajesh Verma. Now for merging, click on the finish and merge option and select all records and click on OK button. Now the addresses of the 4 recipients are merged in this document. and you can see a new record here. If you want to print the merged document, click on the print document option from finish group under mailing tab. So enable the icon, we have to select the data source, existing data source. So select address data source and click on open button. Now the icons are enabled. Then select print document option. Now you get a window merge to printer. Here you can see all current record from two option. Click on all record and click on OK button. Now you get a print dialog box. So select any printer and click on OK button. If your system is connected with the printer, you will get the printed document. Now we can create an envelope also. So for creating envelope, click on envelope option from the create group and you get a envelope and label dialog box. Here you can see delivery address and return address, and there are another option, print option and add to document option. If you want to print the envelope, you can click on print, or if you want to add to the document, you can click on add to document option. And also we can change the font size of the return and delivery address. For that, click on envelope option again and you can see an option button. So click on the option button, you get a window, and here you can change the font size and style. And this is the font format of delivery address, and this is the font format of return address. So you can change its font size and style and click OK. Now it's changed like this. Click on print button to print the envelope.